G'day guys, welcome to Wear It Purple Day 2019 at Thornbury High School. It's just kicking off now. We've got heaps of cupcakes, we've got music, we've got skipping rope, we've got lots and lots of purple things here to come down and buy to support the cause for LGBTQI plus students. So should be a really good day. Enjoy.
Today is Wear It Purple Day, a day that celebrates our LGBT youth and the students at our school. It was created as a way to combat homophobia and transphobia and all the other hate that a lot of LGBT youth were getting, and it's a good way to raise awareness to the problems that a lot of LGBT youth face even in today's society.
It's a day to celebrate LGBTI youth and to bring awareness to bullying and harassment.
We're having a bake sale and other activities so we can reduce the statistics of how some LGBTQI plus people feel when they're disrespected, mistreated, and when they take their own lives. So we're trying to reduce the statistics of all that happening.
Because there is still a lot of discrimination going on, even though it shouldn't be.
Because the LGBT has been discriminated for a long time, so we're trying to have a little more pride for it, for people to feel more comfortable talking about it.
We've gone through years of suffering just for being who we are, and it sucks. A lot of them have faced some difficult times being part of the community.
They're going through a lot of bad things, and so not many people understand what they're going through, and so yeah.
Not including them or saying they're not allowed in certain places or they shouldn't be part of things because they are part of that community.
Because equity matters. Everything matters, you know? Because if we don't all accept each other, then what's the point in living?
And we want to make sure that this is a really safe, a really inviting environment for them to come and to learn and to be happy, and that's why we do these celebrations. I reckon it's just going to be a fun time, and I like seeing people smile.
Woo! 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 Woo!
Probably to see everyone enjoying all the wonderful food and music that we have here and just enjoying themselves.
The purple and the pride flag represents spirit, so the purple day is because it's representing the spirit of young LGBTQ plus people.
I feel like everyone should be treated equally, and the food is nice. And everyone should be treated fairly and equally. We're celebrating the LGBTIQA plus society. Yeah.
It's a day to celebrate and be proud and not let haters hate, as it were.
Pride is important so people feel included and safe in school environments and other public places and don't feel the need to hide who they are.
You should care. It's good. Everyone's equal.
We are supporting gays and the community.
We should all be accepted for who we are, not based on what we love. We're just celebrating the LGBTQ plus community and letting them know that they can be welcome everywhere.
I don't know, it matters because we all want to include everybody in the community. So we're trying to spread diversity about the whole school.
Yeah, and also it's raising awareness for a discriminated against group. And we feel that as well because we're sometimes discriminated against. So it's good to start with one group so then every group can feel included.
Today is Purple Day.
We're fundraising to support -18 and also for the next 10,
-18. They help LGBT youth and they supply services that can help them with coming out and just different events.
Our school has a rainbow lounge for queer students at our school to go to every Friday. And we've all organised this together. And a big shout out to Jess, who's our teacher who comes to help out.
I myself am an LGBTI person, and I just want everyone else to have a space to come to currently and to just feel safe and love who they are for being who they are.
I am LGBT youth. This affects me directly.
Because I am bisexual myself.
I am part of that community. I'm celebrating because I am bisexual myself and I want to celebrate and do stuff, yeah.
I care because I am a member of the LGBTQI community plus myself, and I've had friends who have been mistreated due to their involvement in being in the LGBTQI community plus. And I think it's
it's wrong. I'm an ally of the LGBT community and I'm happy to be here today.